So when I was asked to come and speak here today, I said yes immediately. And then I thought, oh goodness, what do I have to say to a room of AI professionals? I am not building models. I am not a data scientist. I run American Underground. We are an innovation hub and with co-working, event space, and office space right here in Durham. But the thing is, I get to watch. Every day, I see how companies actually grow, and this is not the LinkedIn version that everyone's posting. This is the reality, the real version. And what I'm seeing is that with AI companies specifically, is that it's the opposite of what everyone's predicting. People say, with AI, it means location doesn't matter. You can build from your couch. You can hire globally. Community is dead. However, I'm watching the exact opposite happen. Founders everywhere are choosing to be here, in Durham, in the same building, in the same city, in the same ecosystem. And this is not out of nostalgia. This is out of strategy. Because AI can't do what a community does. It can't introduce you to your co-founder over coffee. It can't tell you that that investor is actually difficult to work with. And it can't give you the look across the table that says, you might not want to do that. AI is incredible at information, but it's terrible at trust. And in a world where everyone has the same tools, trust is the only competitive advantage. Check out what's happening at American Underground. So AU is an innovation hub, like I said, here in the Triangle. We have over 650 members. So those are startups, those are entrepreneurs, those are founders. We've been in business about 15 years, and over those 15 years, we've helped thousands of startups figure out their path forward. Cloud Factory became a global AI company at AU. They launched Sprout AI Studio here. Sunflower grew into a custom fabric marketplace, now owned by Shutterfly. Teamworks built a sports software platform that's used with professional leagues now. Started here in Durham. Camino uses AI to match home buyers with neighborhoods. Magentix is helping businesses get ready for AI-powered internet. Catalyst HQ is making sure that the future of AI isn't just built by the usual suspects, but is creating pathways for underrepresented founders. Crosscom, a software development company, just earned their SOC 2 Type 2. Let's go. Scale Social AI is turning customers into storytellers. They could build from anywhere. They chose here. They chose Durham. They chose intentionally to build in community at American Underground. Community isn't where you happen to be. It's how you win. Here's what I've learned from watching hundreds of startups. The hard stuff isn't the technology. It's knowing when to pivot, it's knowing who to trust, and it's knowing what problems actually matter. I watch it happen all the time at AU. Somebody mentions a problem at lunch. Someone says, I know a guy. An introduction is made. The company changes direction. That direction works. This is not networking, folks. This is infrastructure. So, here's my call. If you're building something, your community matters as much as your code. If you're investing, the ecosystem around the founder matters more than their current traction. And if you're building ecosystems, stop thinking about events, folks, and start thinking about infrastructure. The winners of this next decade, they won't win because of their models. They'll win because of their community. Thank you.